Welcome here to my YouTube channels. Viewers, we will discussing about and that's video the principles of the building plannings, that is most important topic. Okay, then you can must to be learn of that what is the principle of the building planning. When you construct on or design and structures, then you should be most of the learn of that. Okay, what is the principles of the buildings. When you see that all, then this video after you will to more create attractive and a good planner building planners. Okay, now you can see the principle of the buildings as architecture paper no designs of a buildings when the help of the following principle in the planning is mean aspect, prospect, privacy, roominess, grouping and circulations, furniture requirements, flexibility and sanitations, elegance and economics. These the 745 of the forts of the planning building principles. Now you can see that the aspect. What is aspect? Dispositions of the door and windows and the internal walls. Occupants can enjoy the gift of the nature with visual sunshine, the breezes, view of the landscapes. Then you can see that you can sit on the building, then you can see on the windows and doors and the sunshine. They can call the aspect. The sun rays admitted into the rooms, kitchen, etc. and the each sides, that is called aspect. Now second is that prospect. What is prospect? Prospect is that the outside view seen from the inside of the door. Then you can see and the outsides and the outside seen and the door and the inside. Then you can call to aspect. The window that height of the levels. When you design up that project, then you can to the height of the level in the windows, same like that. You can see and the outside of views. It's called prospect. The outside green way cannot be seen from the inside, since is not to prospect. Okay, when you not see in the outside of the rooms, then cannot to be called prospect. Third one is prospect continue can down. Let's mean that out. Okay, what is mean by that? The window taken to lower levels. When you design of that, then your window level is same like that on the floors. They can call prospect come down. In the outside good scenes, the green can be seen by the sitting the inside and the from the sense good. Okay, third one is that privacy. What is privacy? The exports of the interior space rooms of the visitor regions. Okay, the type of privacy. Then you can see what is the type of privacy. There's two types. The privacy of all parts of the building with reference of the storing score building road, etc. Okay, the type of privacy can be achieved by the growing plants, trees, etc. The providing the high windows with the respect road, ground, aspect ground, etc. The privacy of one room from the another rooms. Wow, that's good. The type of privacy can be achieved by the carefully positioning of the door and windows. That is the two type of privacy in the building and the rules. Okay, now you can see the privacy picture. The privacy depend on the plummets, door and windows opening. Okay, the maximum privacy look like that. The modern privacy and no privacy. Oh, for one is roomness. Roomness as the getting a minimum benefit from the minimum dimensions or the pace of the rooms. Rectangle shapes rules give the feeling or more than space than the square shapes rooms of the same areas. You can see that the roomness, some like rectangle shapes, polygon, etc. You can to design as per area requirements. 5.1 has grouping in the various rooms and relations with the functions is called grooming. The grooming bed, stair, and dining room, living room, kitchen, and out of space, etc. The importance grouping is that bedroom, kitchen, out of space, living, dining room, and stairs. That is the grouping. When you do that all as per the land requirements. Okay, next one is circulations. Horizontal circulation, passage, corridors, ventilators, etc. The vertical circle, stair lifts and escalators, etc. Look like that roof, floor, and the one door and another doors same like the opposite to each others. Bed circulations doors. Okay, that is not good for the building constructions. Look like that is the good and the construction building planning is door and windows same like that. Okay, circulations can downs. Wow, the vertical circulations like study, stairs, kitchen, living room, ventilators, bedroom, etc. The good circulation with the stair inside. That is the design can be used for that all of the area requirements. Okay, now that is the bed circulation with the outside of stairs. When the stair is outside, it is not good for circulations. Okay, furniture requirements, that is more important things of that in the building planning. When you construct in the all the buildings, room and window, etc., then you can sit in the furniture also. Okay, that is called interior design. Okay, foundation of the room decided the features, furniture requirements of that room. Living hall, sofa set, typhoid and TV case, showcase, etc. Bed, single, double beds and dressing table and almari, etc. Table, chairs, a cupboard, etc. Then you can sit in the furnitures and your building. Known as the type of furniture, the dimension of the rooms can be arrived. Next one is flexibility. To the flexibility, accommodations of the change in the plan of the building in future at necessary. It's mean the room 1, the big hall, room 2. Then you can to join of that 2 rooms, 1 hall. That is mean flexibility. Then you can use the 1 room also, and you can use the 2 room also. Then sanitation means you can, when you complete your construction, the last one work is there. Okay, the sanitations, the lighting, natural lighting, artificial lighting, ventilations, nature ventilation, artificial ventilations, clearness, sanitary provisions, bath, water cool sets, and lightaries. Okay, the 10th one is elegance. Elegance is mean in the aesthetic views of the building or the beauty of the buildings. Elegance of the building can be achieved by the increasing the plinth heights of the buildings, treatments of the interiors of the building, sloping roof, projections, etc. Class 1 is economy. Okay, the minimum dimensions of the rooms, door and windows, the simple design of the windows, providing the minimum heights of the buildings, avoiding the approaches, labels, etc. That is the most important things, and the building planners. I hope you can learn something on that video. See you next time.